The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Brown County, northeastern Monroe County, southeastern Morgan County until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles east of Bloomington and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Nashville, Yellowwood Lake, Unionville, Lake Lemon, Helmsburg, Mahalasville, Bean Blossom, Spearsville, Tioga, Morgantown. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of